people put the garlic first, but in this case, we don't want it to get too toasty, so we're gonna do the onions first. And you can actually, here, put in the ginger.
Can I hold this? Put in the onions there.
Okay, go ahead. There you go.
There.
No, don't do the garlic yet. Let's let this saute up a little bit first.
Can I hold it?
So we'll let the ginger and the onion saute a little bit, and then we're gonna put the garlic. Okay?
Okay.
How does it smell?
Good.
Good. Good.
I love it. I love that new baby smell.
You love the new baby smell?
Yeah.
It's not a baby.
Yes.
Okay. So I think it's time to throw in the garlic.
But this is a tiny.
Yeah, I know. You can put all of it.
No, Mom, can you do it? Because this bowl tiny.
The bowl is tiny.
Yes. Ooh.
You want to stir it a little bit?